ça.
What's happening to us?
What are you doing out here?
You want to tell them everything? All the secrets that could get us killed?
Now it's their secret, too.
We're part of a joint task force investigating the wildfires. We're looking for any of the kids who were on that school bus.
I think it can help you.
Oh my God.
We're gonna get you out of here.
Well, I don't think it's a 7-foot-tall monster.
But you're not so sure he's buried there.
This is how it starts. Get fangs, get claws, and then we start killing people?
What are you worried about? What keeps you up at night?
We've never killed anything before.
You've never had it back before.